It's wonderful to have you join us again on this journey of exploration and insight. In the lavish kingdom of Kapalivastu, a bit of a gloom hung over the royal palace as Prince Siddhartha's 16th birthday approached. What was meant to be a day of joy and celebration, marking his coming of age and enthronement as crown prince, had a hint of a shadow. The nobles had collectively declined to partake in the festivities and the formal enthronement. The royal nobles, who were anticipated to join Siddhartha's birthday celebration with their daughters, expressed their concerns, stating that Siddhartha's focus on festivities made him unfit to be a suitable husband or king. Acknowledging the rejections, Siddhartha assured his father of his determination to prove his worthiness. He planned to dispel the notion of being a frivolous partygoer by showcasing his skills as a formidable warrior. To achieve this, he extended an invitation to the noblemen, inviting them to witness his warrior capabilities on his upcoming birthday. On the appointed day, the nobles gathered eagerly to witness Siddhartha's claim. The question lingered: would he make a fool out of himself? Or was he truly fit to be their future king? To showcase his strength, Siddhartha sought the ceremonial bowl of King Buddha, his maternal uncle. This metal bowl, deemed to demand the strength of 1,000 men, had remained untouched since its original owner. Placed in a position of reverence, it was a formidable challenge. With a single flex of his arm, Siddhartha not only drew the bow but expertly wielded it, captivating the crowd with his strength and prowess. He accurately struck various targets, showcasing his exceptional skills, and the audience roared with jubilant approval. Siddhartha's display revealed a charming and handsome young man, igniting sparks of interest in the hearts of the princesses. Eagerly awaiting the party that would follow, they hoped to catch Siddhartha's attention. The once skeptical nobles now heaped praises upon Siddhartha. The prophecy of Siddhartha becoming a wheel-turning monarch began to resurface, and the royal daughters were encouraged to attend the upcoming celebration. To ensure Siddhartha met every eligible girl, a courtier announced the names and families of the princesses. Each princess presented herself to Siddhartha, who, with a gracious gesture, gifted them a piece of jewelry from a treasure chest beside him. As the procession continued, none seemed to capture Siddhartha's attention until a familiar name was called: Yashodhara. She was the last on the list. Siddhartha was taken aback to find that only a modest ring remained in the jewelry chest as the beautiful Yashodhara elegantly approached him. Flustered, he fumbled with the ring and hastily placed it in Yashodhara's outreached hands. Yashodhara, with a mischievous twinkle in her eyes, questioned Siddhartha's gesture, catching him off guard. "My lord, is that all that I'm worth?" At that moment, our warrior prince momentarily became a jittery schoolboy in front of his love crush. Quickly regaining his composure, Siddhartha removed his necklace and placed it over Yashodhara's head, symbolizing his true intentions. King Shuddhodana and Queen Pajapati, observing from the sidelines, exchanged knowing smiles. The royal couple wasted no time. They reached out to Yashodhara's parents, King Shubhabuddha and Queen Amita, seeking her hand in marriage, and they agreed enthusiastically. That sealed the union of this youthful couple on their 16th birthday. In the enchanting saga of Prince Siddhartha, you'd be forgiven for thinking he was always the serene figure sitting beneath the Bodhi tree, contemplating the mysteries of the universe. But hey, surprise, surprise! Even the Buddha had his fair share of youthful exuberance. Picture this: Siddhartha, the original party animal, living it up and dancing like no one was watching. It turns out Buddhism isn't just for the ecstatics and robe-clad monks. There's room for us regular folks too. So you might be wondering, what's the scoop on finding that ideal life partner in the world of Buddhism? Is there any advice or preference by Buddhists? Well, it's not just about looks, because let's face it, wrinkles are nature's way of reminding us to go beyond the surface level. So what really matters is the inner quality of a person. Essentially, we are aiming to tie the knot with a good person. Who wouldn't want that, right? To begin with, we lean towards someone who avoids causing harm, sort of like steering clear of harsh words and actions. Picture finding a partner exuding loving kindness and compassion, akin to a Disney character surrounded by joyful chirping animals. Complicated? Not really. Just seek someone who's kind and compassionate. In the realm of language, the essential quality is truthfulness. We seek partners who communicate with the sincerity of a child. Ultimately, genuine communication is crucial for mutual understanding. After all, who wouldn't desire a relationship founded on unwavering honesty? And then there's faithfulness, a commitment to uphold those matrimonial vows and resist the allure of wandering eyes. Because, let's face it, nobody wants a partner whose eyes are constantly window shopping. But wait, there's more. Buddhists also value a heart that's easily content. No envy, no coveting. We are talking about a person who's happy with what they have and won't drag you into a comparison game with Jane's diamond ring or Michael's stunning spouse. Because really, who needs that drama? And last but not least, steer clear of the drama queens and kings who moonlight as alcoholics or drug enthusiasts. Let's learn from the Hollywood saga of Hurt and Deb, a lesson in why a relationship should be more serene documentary and less daytime soap opera. So there you have it, friends. The Buddha's guide to finding that ideal partner, someone who's kind, honest, faithful, content, and drama-free. After all, who said enlightenment couldn't have a sense of humor? And in case you are lost and craving for some traditional Buddhist message, well, what we just shared is inspired by the 5 precepts. Have fun figuring them out.